Daddy's got you. What's wrong? Mama's bed. But it's night-night time. Is that thunder scaring you, sweetie?
Maybe you can stay a little longer. Stay right
Okay,
here.
you just cuddle with Daddy. You're okay.
Okay, just stay right here.
Daddy's got
Okay,
you.
right here.
It's just thunder, little man. Where's your Mickey? Corbin, are you snuggling Mickey? Completely ignoring.
Hey, he's good at that, don't you know?
Got your Mickey all snuggled?